Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Next time you get an email from a company you trust, triple check it first. It might not be what it seems. It could be part of a new scam called subdomailing. Just like regular phishing attacks, cybercriminals pretend to be trusted brands. They're trying to trick you into clicking malicious links or giving up sensitive info. But here's the twist. Subdomailing uses old subdomains, where you prefix a domain with a word, such as experience.trustedbrand.com. And they are subdomains that reputable companies once used, making them seem real. The criminals have been sending up to 5 million phishing emails a day. These emails often sail past security checks, hitting your inbox. So always check the sender's details before clicking any links or downloading attachments, and tell your team to do the same. If you have any doubts about an email, ask your IT partner to check it first. We can help with email security. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.